Hello, Hamras is here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix some failures and problems on Wikipedia app on the iOS. So first thing that you want to check is for the update. Go right here. You need to find your Wikipedia app. We got our Wikipedia tag, and you want to see if you have the newest version. Always the update popping out here. You have the update button if it's available, but if it's not, that means you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not and you still have some problems, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go here to the apps, go right there, search Wikipedia, and here you want to set every setting on default. Like here, Siri, that's the default right there. Search default, background app refresh on, and language change you can change, you don't need to, doesn't matter really. And after that, if you have still some issues, I'm gonna show you one more way. So you take your Wikipedia app, remove the app, uninstall, go back and just reinstall the app. After this, all of the failures and issues should be fixed. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.